The Surebonder glue skillet is a new way to work with hot glue. The Surebonder glue skillet is designed for use with B2001 Skillet glue pellets and not regular glue sticks. Glue sticks will work, but they may be stringy, unlike the glue skillet pellets that were specifically engineered to work with the skillet to minimize glue strings. The Surebonder glue skillet has a temperature knob so it can handle any arrangement of projects like home decor, wreaths, floral arrangements, and other decorative projects. Simply dip the material or decoration into the glue skillet once the glue is melted to apply the glue. Then attach the material to the desired surface. The glue skillet has an on and off switch, so you can leave it plugged in and ready to go. You can always check the LED light on the skillet to make sure the skillet isn't left on when you're done working and isn't too hot to touch before you start. Just like Surebonder's signature glue guns, the glue skillet comes with a built-in safety fuse because safety and quality are Surebonder's #1 concern. Make large decorative arrangements quicker and easier than ever before with the Surebonder glue skillet. Surebonder, stick with the best.